Hey guys, happy July 15th. You always yawn in my intros. It's like I'm boring you.
It's because your voice puts me to sleep.
Thank you. Today we have a day full of errands and Ryan is tagging along so kindly of him.
Tagging along.
And giving me his opinion.
We had errands.
Yes, we do. So basically today's errands are returning something at Ulta and looking at furniture, going to Home Goods, and right now we are stopping at 13 Hub Lane. I think that's what it's called. We are gonna go in there because I have been looking for a dresser. My headboard is like a wooden, kind of like grayish light brown color, and it's really freaking hard to match everything. So I wanted to get like everything else white just so it would be a little bit easier, but I found this one that has like the top of it's wood and it kind of looks like it matches my bed frame, and then the rest of it's white. So back here is just like a big warehouse. Now let's try to find that dresser. Okay, it's this one back here, but it basically looks like that, and I swear it looks like my bed frame looks just like this. What do you think?
That's nice.
Like, do you think it matches? Because I can't find anything cheaper.
That's not from Target, babe.
Babe, nothing from Target is gonna match my room.
So, wouldn't my desk in Athens match it?
No.
Yes, it would.
No, it wouldn't. This has been my main struggle, finding like a good one that matches or like a cute one and not a cheap looking one. And I don't really want to spend that much money, but like, I don't know. It's kind of annoying. I've been like literally looking all summer. And now I'm not even going to be living in the room that I'm getting it for. So. Alright guys, our next stop is Ulta Beauty. I have to return a straightener because actually when I was in Italy, my straightener worked for the first week, but then the second week it burnt out and I was so mad and so sad. But I found out that I could like get it repaired because it actually still was under the warranty, luckily. So I sent it in, but I don't know, it kind of seemed sketchy. So I didn't really know if I was actually going to get it back or like, I don't know what was going on. Anyways.
Money order for $5.
What?
With a money order for $5.
Yeah, they told me to get a money order for $5 for shipping and I was like, what? So I bought a straightener because I didn't even know if it would come back to me. And luckily it did. It just came in the mail like 2 days ago or something. So I'm very lucky because I get to return the straightener and it was hella expensive. By the way, if you guys are wondering what straightener it is, it's the Babyliss Pro straightener. It's just like the blue straightener that you guys probably have seen. It is by far the best straightener in the world. I love it so much and highly recommend it. I decided to get the L'Oreal Pro Matte Infallible because I am currently using the Pro Glow right now, but I feel like it's just summer and I'm getting sweaty too much and it just looks way too dewy. So I think I need the Pro Matte and I'm going to switch back to the Pro Glow in the winter. Unless there's like a new foundation that I get, then I'll probably just use that. Alright guys, next stop is Ashley Furniture Home Store. We saw some really good prices online, so let's see if they have them in store. I don't know if I want like a white dresser because like it's hard when you get white. It's either too distressed or too modern, you know? So, I don't know. So this is one of the options. It has like the brown like top and it's just a little bit distressed, the white is. It's really cute. And then this is the second option, which I really like this one. I think I like it better, just the all white distressed. But Ryan had a proposition. Oh, it's serious now.
I was saying she doesn't really use a dresser anyways. So she should just put a little cheap one in her closet.
Like from Target or like...
Yeah, and hang her clothes and then make it a little like sitting area where she can like edit videos and sit in her nice chair and nod them in and relax.
So guys, I feel like I might go with Ryan's idea just because my closet is kind of big. It's like a walk-in closet and I've never had like a walk-in closet like in like an actual house. So right now we are going to go to Home Goods because I definitely want a full-length mirror. Maybe I can spend a little bit more money on that since I may not have a dresser. I'm trying to call my dad, but I think the World Cup's on, so he's not answering. So, but I know he's probably just going to be like, do whatever you want. So yeah, we're going to go into Home Goods and check that out because we actually went to Home Goods in Athens and I was like really impressed with what they had. And I don't know, I just wanted to wait to see what this one had, so. I currently have my eyes on this one mirror, but we found out that it has like a little bit of crack at the bottom, so we just called a worker to see if we could get it discounted a little bit.
How much?
No! Just put it above like our heads. Alright guys, we got it in. I took one for the team and broke my freaking nail.
Where?
I seriously did. It's like chipped now. So we are currently in the Starbucks drive-thru right now, and guess what I did? I ordered coffee. I don't even know who I am anymore. Ryan has turned me into a bad
it's like
person.
drinking alone for the first time. Becoming an addict slowly.
I don't want to be. If you guys watched my Athens vlog, you saw that I really liked that salted cold foam. Is that what it's called? And I was wondering if I could put it on my ice white mocha, and they let me. How cute. We both have salted cold foam. It's me and you. I'm brown and you're not. The foam tastes like salted caramel ice cream or something.
Yeah, it reminds me of like the ocean. You put
Yeah,
one on top and you suck
kinda.
it.
Wait, I wonder if it was like extra. Do you think?
What am I supposed to say?
I don't know.
Add cold foam? Probably not. I don't know, maybe 50 cents.
So guys, we made it to my new room. This is at my dad's house. My parents like separated and actually got different houses. So we sold my childhood house, and yeah, this is my new room. Oh, well, not yet, I guess. But I have been on the search for furniture like literally this whole summer, and it sucks because I finally I'm just kind of getting my room all together, and I'm leaving in literally 2 weeks. So I won't be able to use it, but I'm most likely just gonna move home like after college for like at least a year or something, because Ryan says that we can't move in together until I have 30,000 saved up, right?
Yeah.
Anyways, so we came here thinking that like my desk and chair weren't like set up, but my dad got someone to do it already, which is like really surprising because it just got here. But that guy comes like a lot since like there's so much to be done on this house still. There's like always people walking in and out of here. But we also got a mirror. And honestly, like I wish it was a little bit wider, like this way.
Damn.
But no, this was like $80 because we got a discount because it was like broken there. But like who the hell is gonna see that, right? Like I think that's such a good deal.
You need to put some Windex on it.
That's a good idea. But I don't know, I'm very excited about this mirror. Ooh, I wonder if I could put it in here. Do the lights work? Where's the light?
Is there a light switch in there?
Yeah, there is. Oh my god, yay! Oh my god, that would be so cute.
Wherever your dresser gonna go?
No, my dad said that I shouldn't get a dresser. I talked to him about it.
You shouldn't get one? Why?
Because he said you can just hang it up.
You can fold everything up here.
And yeah, I have like shelves. So I can just put whatever I need to.
That's what I'm saying. Like, this is a nice closet. Why would you want a dresser?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put anything in it.
I just thought it would be.
Really gets this. I don't really need a dresser, but yeah. Put the.
Yeah, if I have like.
I kind of like it out here. I mean, it kind of adds to the room. Like, you can
Oh, the mirror?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. But if I were like to take like OOTDs and didn't really want like a navy blue wall on the back.
What if like all your clothes were messy?
Yeah.
You can't take a picture in it.
Yeah, that's true.
Move, drag it out here.
First impression, I really like that material.
It's
very
soft.
nice.
It looks like leather, but it's not.
Oh.
So I mean, might drop it lower.
I don't like that. I don't like how it like, okay. Well, at first it was like a big ass bump, like, it's weird. That's weird, okay.
Turn around, push it in the type.
Okay.
You can drop it lower. It's a nice desk though, I like it.
Yay! I don't know, I'm kind of sad though because I thought it was like going to be really similar to like my bed frame, like this part, but it's not, and it's right next to my bed frame, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to scoot it down all the way. You know how you see like navy blue and green and stuff, so I was thinking we could do like I could get like a big plant. I could get a big plant and put it in that corner next to my mirror. That'd be so
Fern.
cute. A fern, yes. Wouldn't that be cute?
Yeah.
I'm excited. I kind of want to like work here right now. Get the big guns out. Thoughts on this room. I really like the 2 big windows, and you can like pull those out. Let me show you guys. And there's a window over there too. but we have to make my bed. I got this
That's where the TV's going.
online. Like it's like a, it's just like a tassel kind of duvet cover. So I know my bed is a little wrinkly, but this is the final product. And these pillows are from Target. I will link them down below if you guys are interested. I'll try to link everything down below because actually this time I shopped for everything and I bought it pretty much all online. So it is currently 5:15. I thought our errands would take up a lot of our day, but we were pretty much done at like 4 and then we left my house then. But also because all that shit was already built and I thought Ryan was gonna have to build. Yeah, I know, but you never know. Some things, sometimes like if you mess up like one leg, you have to like unscrew it all. But luckily, my furniture was already built before we got there. So we decided to come to Home Depot and start another DIY project. So we just got wood and wood stain. Ryan actually made me like a wooden star with the help of someone else. So I'm gonna stain that white and it's like so cute. It's so trendy. I'm excited to hang that up in my new dorm, my sorority house dorm. Oh, we should also look at fake flowers. We're gonna go to the dollar store and get like mason jars to put in this. And yeah, it's gonna be really cute. I'm hoping at least. So we are currently in the Dollar Tree, but I'm only finding these with like the handles on them. But I just want like a mason jar. Guys, we found them. So yeah, we don't want those. These are cute, but that's not a lot. Wait, these are little ones?
Yeah.
These are how tall are these?
It's steak night.
There's 6 down there, you can see it.
Faye's gonna cook me some good food.
You did such a good job. The steak is actually really good, yeah.
We talked so much shit about it.
What? What shit?
But I was gonna burn it and ruin everything.
Well, you do such a perfect job, and I'm very proud of you. So it is Sunday night, which means we're gonna watch Very Cavallari. It is Kristen Cavallari's show, and she's from The Hills, and I used to be obsessed with that show. Not even like when I was little, I just watched that show maybe like a year or two ago. I love everyone on that show except Kristen. I always thought she was like such a bitch on the show, and I was kind of pissed that she has her own show now, but I actually kind of like the show because it talks about like how she's building her own like store and stuff like that. Another show I'm really obsessed with is Dynasty, and I know like everyone's watching it right now, but like if you haven't, you should definitely watch it. It's tough to get past like the first 3 episodes, I would say, or maybe even like the first 4, but there's like 22 episodes in season 1 and that's all they have out for now. It gets really, really juicy and really good. It's basically a show based in Atlanta, which is cool, about this rich family that just has all this like business problems and family problems, and it's like drama filled like to the top. I would say it's kind of even better than 90210. Like obviously not at the beginning because you're like, ew, what is this trash, but definitely if you get into it you might honestly think it's better. The acting's not that great, but I mean the show and like the plot itself is like amazing.
I usually hate dramas. I actually like that show a lot. Like I actually watch it with her.
Yeah, I mean, it's just a really good show. So definitely start that show. If you guys watch it, like comment down below. And I'm also very curious to see when and if they're putting out season 2. And even when the show got on Netflix, like if it just got put out, I'm gonna be so mad because that means I'm gonna have to wait like a year or 2 even to see like season 2. As we all know from Jane the Virgin, I do not do well with cliffhangers. But I'm gonna enjoy dinner and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys!